Hey everyone, imagine pressing the clutch but your car doesn't respond as expected. You try shifting gears but something feels off. Maybe the engine struggles or the check engine light suddenly comes on. If your obd2 scanner shows P0822, clutch switch circuit low, your car's clutch system isn't sending the right signals to the transmission. This could lead to starting issues, shifting problems, or even complete transmission failure. In this video we'll break down what P0822 means, its symptoms, causes, and most importantly, where to find the key sensors to fix it. Let's dive in. What is P0822? The P0822 trouble code indicates that the clutch switch is sending a low voltage signal to the engine control module, ECM, or transmission control module, TCM. Common symptoms of P0822. Engine won't start unless you press the clutch multiple times. Gears feel hard to shift in manual transmissions. Unresponsive clutch pedal, check engine light, CL, turns on car enters limp mode in some cases. If you notice any of these issues, checking the sensor locations is crucial. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To fix P0822, you need to inspect these key components. Clutch pedal position sensor, CPS. Clutch switch location. Attached to the clutch pedal bracket, usually near the firewall or clutch master cylinder. Function. Detects when the clutch is engaged and sends signals to the ECM TCM. Clutch master cylinder and slave cylinder location. Near the firewall, connected to the clutch pedal via hydraulic lines. Function. Controls hydraulic pressure to engage and disengage the clutch. Transmission control module, TCM. Engine control module, ECM. Location. Near the transmission or under the dashboard. Function. Processes clutch signals for smooth gear shifting. Wiring, harness and connectors location, runs between the clutch switch, ECM and TCM. Function. Transfers voltage signals from the clutch pedal to the car's computer. Fuse and relay for clutch circuit if equipped. Location. In the fuse box under the dashboard or hood. Function. Protects the circuit from power surges and failures. Common causes of P0822 faulty clutch position sensor. If the switch is damaged or stuck, it can send incorrect signals. Misaligned or stuck clutch pedal. The pedal may not engage the switch properly. Damaged wiring or connectors. Loose or broken wires can cause voltage issues. Defective transmission control module, TCM, or engine control module, ECM. A failing module can misinterpret clutch signals. Blown fuse or faulty relay. A fuse or relay failure can prevent power from reaching the clutch switch. How to fix P0822. Step 1. Inspect the clutch position sensor, CPS. Use a multimeter to test voltage when pressing the clutch. Replace if necessary. Step 2. Check the clutch pedal and hydraulic system. Ensure the pedal moves freely and engages the switch properly. Step 3. Examine wiring and connectors. Look for corroded or damaged wires near the clutch pedal. Step 4. Scan the TCM/ECM for additional codes. If other clutch-related codes appear, there may be an issue with the control module. Step 5. Test the fuse and relay for clutch circuit. Replace if blown or malfunctioning. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Reset the P0822 code and verify that the clutch system works properly. The P0822 code can lead to major clutch and shifting problems, but diagnosing the clutch switch, wiring, and related components will help you fix it quickly. Watch these related videos next. P0510 closed throttle position switch. Malfunction P0511. Idle air control circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more expert car diagnostics.